Hello, I'm Chipperson, the host of the bi-weekly Current. A powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake killed at least 70 people as it rocked South Asia on Monday, including 12 Afghan girls crushed to death in a stampede as they tried to flee their collapsing school. Thousands of frightening people rushed into the streets in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India as the quake shook a swathe of the subcontinent. It was centered near Jurm in northeast Afghanistan, 250 kilometers from the capital, Kabul, and at a depth of 213.5 kilometers, the U.S. Geological Survey said. The death toll rose rapidly Monday amid reports of buildings reduced to rubble, with Pakistan heavily hit. 12 students, all minors, were killed, and 35 others were injured. In a statistical prediction on its website, the agency said there was one-third a chance of the number of fatalities climbing to between 100 and 1,000 people, with several $1 million worth of damage likely caused. The quake, which lasted at least 1 minute, shook buildings in Kabul, Islamabad, and New Delhi. 8 children were among the dead in Pakistan. I'm Chipperson, and this is the bi-weekly Current for your nightly news tonight.